So if you have an FPV drone, then you need a GPS module. And even if you're just flying it for cinematic or freestyle and not doing long range, you still will want one. And here's why. A while back, I was flying in the jungle and I got lost and I couldn't figure out where I was supposed to go. So I was just flying aimlessly around and luckily I found my way back. But let's say I couldn't. Well, I probably would have lost my drone in the middle of the jungle. What the GPS module will do, it will point to you which direction you need to go, and if you lose signal, or if you just want it to fly back on its own, you can flip a switch and it will come directly back to you. And for only about 20 bucks, it can save your drone, which is amazing. And now I'm not going to explain to you in depth on how to set it up and go through all of it, because there's already other really good videos out there on it. But here's what I did. I went through and I have mine set up to a switch. I don't have it set, so it's on failsafe. Well, let's say you're flying under some trees or doing some freestyle. Well, you don't want your drone failsafing and then taking off into the trees or hitting a building or anything like that. So that's why I have it set to a switch. I also have my GPS satellites pretty low. It's low enough where it can lock on and find the general area, but high enough where I can still fly and it's going to be mostly reliable. Now there's another main switch that you want to turn off. It's this one right here. Now what this one will do is it makes it so you can fly without satellites. Now that means GPS rescue will not work and it will not fly back to you, but if you just need to fly, if you just want to fly near you, or you want to fly in a building or somewhere where you're not going to get GPS, then you need to have this on, or else you're not going to be able to take off. Now, for me, this has saved my drone so many times, so I can go out and fly, and I feel 100% fine, and I know that my drone will fly back to me. Now, I hope this works for you, and I hope it improves your drone flying experience. I'm Zane Shaw. Keep flying.